The FX Freak is back! And here's how to predict Forex accurately. Baby, I'm back. I'm back. How are we? Are we all lit? Please tell me off and I'll get lit. Now, guys, yes, I am back producing content for you. Obviously, I did take a little bit of a break. A few reasons. I just wanted to sort of fully live life all of the time that I could get, just having a good time, enjoying myself. But also, it's on a growth side of things as well, right? Had a large amount of capital to be managing, so I just really needed to channel sort of all of my energies and my focus just on me, really, and leveling up. Sometimes we need to take that time just completely to ourselves, just so that we can further elevate and hit greater heights. But look, enough of that, I'm back now. Right now I'm in France. I'm in France, just enjoying some country life, some fresh air, because in Dubai, I love Dubai, it's where obviously that's my new home, right? That's where I live. But it's so largely polluted. What I love about it is just go. There's always something going on. As soon as I've been there, it's just been non-stop. So, you know, it's working, trading hard, but playing harder. So it's good to just, you know, relax a little bit, breathe. And that's why I'm here now. And also escaping the summer. Dubai is way too hot in the summer. You know, 40s going on to 50 plus in terms of Celsius, right? So guys, anyway, on to the point of the video, how to be an accurate Forex trader, how to be accurate. Now, I'm gonna do a little bit of a told you so video, just somewhat, just a little bit, you know, sometimes you have to give yourself some kudos, man. In my last video, right, I spoke about how to trade fundamentals and technicals so that they go hand in hand. And I made a prediction, right, with UJ, dollar yen, if you remember rightly so. So let this play a minute so you can hear.
We should see an equivalent on a breakout taking us up towards sort of 124. Now we can see there's a lot of room for us to do that. We've done it here in 2014. We did it again in 2005. We've done it again in 2000. We've done it again in 1996. You get the point.
So there, obviously I spoke about the upside to come for dollar yen. And why did I call that? I called that because few reasons. Technically, I saw it, right? But fundamentally, I was well versed. Now, this is why we cannot overlook what's going on in the markets fundamentally, because they are driving. They're the serious driver of the currencies you're trading. Now, don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You know, 9 times out of 10, when a currency is moving in a certain direction, it's being driven by fundamentals. You technical traders that say it's just technical, you're chatting rubbish. Get out. It's not. Because why does a currency move? It moves because what's going on with a respective economy, what's going on geopolitically, politically, economically, all the clees, basically. I didn't even mean to do that, but it happened. So look, if you remember in that video, right, it was back in, let's look here, it was back in June, July. I called the upside to come for dollar yen. Now, why did I call it? Let's break it down. I want you to have your notepads ready here, okay, guys? Have your notepads ready for the serious traders, and let's speak about this. So we had this channel structure, right, for dollar yen. You can see that here on my chart, right? And we can look at this as a big bullish flag, because here's all of our pole and here's the flag, here's all of the consolidation. We had to remain patient with this. And obviously I'm always aware of what's going on in the market, sort of starting off at those higher time frames, and then we break it down on a lower time frame. So I was already observing this for a long time, this channel structure for dollar yen. And then I started to observe how we bounced off this lower acting trend line. We started to push to the upside. We were printing sort of higher lows and higher highs as we're pushing to the upside here. And after that structure, that technical structure, you know, of higher lows and higher highs, we started consolidating. And that happens when we've been trending in one direction. This is where I make my money. This is where I make my bread and butter. I'm waiting now for this consolidation, because I'm gonna start looking for the signs that we get that breakout, and that's where I'm gonna make my money in anticipation of that breakout to come. So we had this narrowing, this pennant structure here. Okay, taking a break, keeping it simple. The price action was breathing. I knew the bulls were in control. Now, keep those technicals on pause at the moment. I want to show you, I want to explain something, and I'm going to show you something. So, on my Instagram, I called the upside for the dollar. Why? Because I spoke about the big driver, the big mother beeping manipulators for, they're not mother beeps. Anyway, the big manipulators for the dollar. Who are they? The central bank, the FOMC. The FOMC, right, made it clear that they're gonna start hiking interest rates. They're gonna start withdrawing all the stimulus that they've been pumping into the markets, remember, to try and cushion the blow of the damn pandemic. So they're pumping all the money into the markets, and now they made it clear they wanted to start withdrawing this stimulus. So remember, they're diluting the market with all these dollars, and they wanted to start withdrawing some of this. When we're diluting the market, when pumping, remember the value of the dollar's coming down, down, down. The fact that they said, we're gonna start withdrawing some of this stimulus, we're gonna start raising interest rates, the dollar bulls were loving it. So I was listening, I was reading what the central bank was saying, what they were communicating. It's out there. Remember, these guys are manipulators, right? These beeps know what's gonna happen to the market. So I know, because I was listening, I was reading, paying attention, anticipating that they were gonna start acting. So what happened? The dollar started pushing to the upside. So this is the dollar gaining ground against the yen. So I had my fundamentals there well and truly in my head. And I'm seeing what's going on technically now. Now what I wanna show you is here, okay? So look, even on a weekly, you could mark up a secondary sort of flag structure. While this pennant was going on, you saw it on a monthly, but on a weekly, we started forming a flag, just cooling, 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 and then we had a breakout. Boom, trigger. Now the upside is coming. What did I say? What were my predictions there for dollar yen? All the way up firmly into that sort of 120 territory. And obviously we've well and truly been there. We've smashed it. We've gone up to 130. So that's the upside there for dollar yen. Now, another confluence for you here is, this is fundamentally, so where the FOMC started communicating that interest rates are to rise in the US, bond yields, so bond yields are government bonds, they're safe havens, fixed income. Bond yields started rising in anticipation that the FOMC would start raising rates. And obviously we've started seeing them raise rates. But look here, let's go to June, July. Look what happened. Look what happened to bond yields. So bond yields actually were consolidating as well. Look, they formed a flag structure actually, interestingly enough. And just so you know, bond yields work in inverse with yen. Okay, so when US yields are rising, yen starts weakening. We see yen weakness, and you saw that there with dollar yen on that chart, right? Why is that? Because people wanted to take their money well out of Japan. We get massive outflows. Get out, take your money out of Japan. Man, these guys got negative. You know, they got negative. You're not gonna get any interest. As a foreign investor, you're getting no interest in Japan. So you're taking your money out, and flows, big flows are going into dollar, big flows. So out of yen, so yen weakness into dollar, dollar strength, dollar yen pushes to the upside. So this is the yield on the government bond for the 10-year, okay, rising. Look at that in July, and look what happened with dollar yen. You saw it there. Let me just bring it up again on the chart. Where are you, dollar yen? Okay, that's dollar CAD. Dollar yen, there. Okay, look what was happening. You saw that, right? You saw the upside, and it just coincided nicely with that. So I had so many confluences to just see that dollar yen pushing to the upside. So that's why I accurately predicted that. Technically, fundamentally, more importantly there. You see, it's there for the taking. All of the data's there. It's just how you digest it in a calm, collective manner, how you follow your plan. Remember, your plan is gonna help you remain accurate, because you're gonna allow the trades to come to you. You're not gonna panic and start over-analyzing everything. When should I get in, when should I get in? No, you already know when you're gonna get in. You already know the reasons for you entering into a trade. It's all there in your plan, man, in your diary. I hope you're keeping it, right? So that was the upside there for dollar yen. Now, guys, in the coming weeks, I just wanna tell you something actually. I've got something for you. The next video, I want you to pay attention, because there are a number of funded programs out there, but I have a serious one. A good friend of mine, good friends, excuse me, that actually have cash. A lot of these funded programs out there don't have cash. So by the way, if you're gonna make money and if you're gonna progress and get funded, a lot of the times these guys are gonna struggle to pay you out. I can assure you that. But the guys I'm gonna be working with, my friends, very good friends and contacts of mine I've known for years, I've got a funded program for you, which, simple assessments. Obviously, we need to see that you're a good trader. You're gonna get funded, but I'm gonna help you with that. And I'm gonna put something together for you as a new community, see you grow and see you become funded and see you live the life that you should deserve. It's in your control. I've got something for you, so pay attention to the next video. In the coming videos, guys, we'll keep it up with real trade ideas, real market breakdowns, fundamentally fundamentally and technically, a lot of education as well, both Forex, and we'll throw in a little bit of crypto out there. I know you guys love Forex, so you wanna see me keep producing Forex content, smash up that like button. I need you to smash up that subscribe button, otherwise I'm not doing another video. Stay lit, stay blessed, let's get it.